Fear killing going on over there. Really want to leave, want a better life. No life is in Jamaica right now.
I'm asking whether or not, in relation to the Jamaicans that arrived by boat in the United States the other day, whether it's something the police are looking at, whether they have an interest in that situation and doing an investigation or follow-up.
Okay, thanks, Dion. I think so. 7 persons were on that boat. 7 Jamaicans. There were more than 7 persons, but 7 of the persons on the boat were Jamaicans. We have been working with our international partners on this and have found criminal traces for 4 of them, 4 of the 7 so far. And only a couple of weeks before that, we know that another person who was wanted in Jamaica was tried to enter the United States in a similar way, but was found and sent back to us. So we constantly work with our partners on this. And that is the update on those who were taken up there. We know who they are. And as I said, 4 so far we have found criminal traces on our system for them.
One by one, our cameras were rolling as at least 16 migrants were taken into custody Thursday morning. This handcuffed migrant explaining why he made the trip from Jamaica to the Bahamas and then to Pompano Beach.
Fear killing going on over there. Really want to leave, want a better life. No life is in Jamaica right now.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!